In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a Calendly link in your email signature. If you've ever wished for an easier way to let others schedule time with you, this tutorial is for you. Adding your Calendly link to your email signature makes it simple for clients, colleagues, or anyone you correspond with to book meetings without the usual back and forth of finding a time that works. Whether you're a busy professional managing your calendar or just looking to save time, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and stress-free. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, head over to the Calendly homepage. This is your primary dashboard, where all your active events are listed. Each event represents a different type of meeting or appointment you've set up, and each one comes with its own unique scheduling link. So the first thing you'll want to do is identify the specific event you want to share. This could be a one-on-one meeting, a consultation, or any other type of event you've created. Once you've found the event you want, look for the option to copy its link. Calendly makes this easy. It's just a simple click, and the unique URL for that event is copied directly to your clipboard. This link is what you'll be adding to your email signature, so you won't need to manually type it out or search for it again. Next, open your email account. Whether you're using Gmail, Outlook, or any other email provider, the steps are generally the same. Begin by drafting a new email. Now, this isn't about sending an email, it's just a way to access and edit your email signature. Once you're in the draft email, locate the email signature section. This is the area where your existing signature, things like your name, job title, and contact information, typically appears. Now, take the Calendly link you copied earlier and paste it directly into your email signature. Alternatively, if you want to keep things a bit more polished, you can hyperlink a phrase like schedule a meeting or book an appointment with the Calendly URL. Hyperlinking not only keeps your signature looking professional, but it also makes the link more visually appealing and user-friendly. After adding the link or hyperlink, take a moment to adjust its placement. Make sure it fits naturally with the rest of your signature details, like your name, phone number, or company information. You want it to look seamless and intentional, not like an afterthought. Once you're happy with how everything looks, save the changes to your email signature. This step ensures that your updated signature, complete with your Calendly link, will automatically appear in all future emails you send. Before wrapping up, it's always a good idea to test your updated signature. Send a quick test email to yourself or a colleague. This allows you to double-check that the link works correctly and that it appears exactly as you intended. If anything looks off or the link isn't clickable, you can go back and make adjustments. And there you have it. That's how you add your Calendly link to your email signature. By doing this, you've made it easier than ever for others to schedule meetings with you, saving time and improving efficiency for everyone involved. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.